Hello guys, I'm gonna show you today how to make this very cute simple necklace. This is how it looks. It's made in 3 rows, so it's not that difficult. You will need 11 seed beads or toho or something. I'm using these are seed beads. This is the color, I don't know the name, but it's a very cute metallic color. And I'm gonna use this fire polish. This one I know it's called saturated metallic greenery. On this necklace that I made before, I used 3mm, but I think it's going to be okay with 4mm as well. So let's get started. Obviously you're gonna need a needle and a thread. Now on the needle and the thread I put a stop bead. It's from these 11 It's very simple, very easy, and pretty fast. First you take 9 seed beads, including this one, so this will be your first. So 8 more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You pull them down to your stop bead, and then you pass the needle through the 4th from bottom, and you just pull the thread. You arrange it a little bit so it's like this. Now you pick up 4 seed beads, 1 2 3 4, and you pass through the stop bead. So you skip 4 and you pass through the stop bead with these 4, and you pull the thread. Now you should have something that looks like this. Okay, now you pick up 14 seed beads. 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and you pull them down, not just randomly, and you pass with the needle through. You see you have these 4 that you added last, through the middle 2. You passed with the thread, and now you have something like this. Pick up one, whatever you want to use, fire polish, bicone, pearl, whatever, 3-4mm, whatever, doesn't matter. Hold the thread, count 4 down, and you have these 2, so you have to have 4 in this area, and you pass from up till down on the these 2. You need to have up 8, and you pull the thread. So up here you need to have 8 beads, 2 4 6 8, and down here you need to have 4. Now you pick up 5 seed beads, 1 2 3 4 5. You pull down and you pass through the 4th. So you leave those 3, and you pass through like this, and you pull the thread and you arrange them a little bit so they look like this. Pick up 4 seed beads, 1 2 3 4, and skip 4 and go through 4th. So 1 2 3 4 and go through 5th, sorry. So skip 4 and go through the 5th. And pull, and this is how it's going to be, all the pattern. So you have here 2 4 6 8, and you have this 4 down here. Okay, so again, pick up 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and you go through from bottom up through this middle two, both of them, and you pull the thread, and you have this. Pick up one, whatever you're using. I'm using a fire polish 4 millimeters. Count 4 here, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you pass through these two here, from up till down. So you need to have in between these two, you need to have 8 up and 4 down. That's how it goes. And you pull the thread. Pick up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull them down. Pass through the 4th from the bottom. Pull the thread. Pick up 4 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go through the 5th. And you pull the thread, and this is how it's going to be the first row till the end. This, you make this whatever length you want. So do this. Now pick up 18, and then you go through these two from the 4th you added last. So 14 you go through these two, then you add the, okay, I'm just gonna do it again. So pick up 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Go from bottom up through these two here. Pull the thread. Pick up 1 fire polish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 4. Go from up to bottom through these two. Make sure you have 8 up, 4 down. Pull the thread. Pick up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull them down. Skip 3. Go through the 4th. Up. Arrange the beads. Pull the thread a bit. Pick up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go through the 5th. And this is what you do till the end of whatever length you want, and I'll meet you for the next row. Okay, so I finished the first row. If you like it as it is, you can leave it like this. This is how mine turned out. I did 40 centimeters, about 15.5 inches. It looks much better with the 4 millimeter beads than with the 3. So the 3 kind of fade, but these look a little bit better. Okay, if you want to continue, we step on the second row. Here at the end, this is where we're going to be with the work. We should make a loop for the clasp. So we should make this loop where we can put the clasp on. So I'm going to pick up 5 seed beads. You can pick up more. Just gonna drag them down like this, and I'm going to go through this one. It's already there. It will become a loop. It will become a loop. Now I'm going to pass with thread again through all 5, so it's a little bit stronger, but this time I'm not going to go through here. I'm going to go directly through this here, and I'm gonna go up. So I have this now, like this. This is where I'm going to put the clasp. Now we're going to pass through with the needle till the one before last. So we're gonna go with the needle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. I'm going to go through this. I'm going to keep my work like this now because it's going to be a little bit easier to hold. Now we're going to pick up 9 seed beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 seed beads. We're going to skip this part, so we're coming out of here. Hopefully you can see. We're going to skip this one, and we're going to enter this bead here, and we're going to pass through all these 4 like this, through these 4. So you skip one loop and you pass through these 4 and you pull, and it's going to look like this. Now again we pick up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and again we skip these, so we're coming out from here. Hopefully it's visible. We're coming out from here, we skip these, and we go through these 4, all of them, all 4. And we have this, and we do this all the way around, and I'm gonna come back for the last row. Okay, so I finished my second row, and I am here coming out here. I cut with the thread, and now I'm going to make the other loop. So I'm going to go with my needle through this bead, then I'm gonna go down through these 3. I want to make a circle so that I can come out through that one. Just going to move my needle so that I come up to the bead to make the circle for the where to put the clasp. Okay, now I'm coming out of this one. I'm going to pick up 5 beads. 1, 2, 4, 5, and I'm gonna come with the needle under here. I'm just gonna pull. I'm gonna go again through all 5 beads to strengthen it a bit. And I'm gonna go through this one here, coming out from the one that I started. So I have my circle for the clasp. Now I'm going to pick up 5 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to go through in this row. I'm going to go through the second one here. I'm going to pull like this. Now I'm going to pick up 1 seed bead, and on the previous on the first row under here, see, so I have this where I put my 5. I'm going to go with my 1 bead through these 4 like this. Going to pull, a little tangled, but it's okay. Like this. It's here. Now I'm going to take one seed bead again, and I'm going to go from these 4 through the second bead on the previous row. I'm gonna go up, and I'm going to pull the thread, and it should look like this. And again we pick up 5 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to skip the first from the previous row, and we're going to go through the second with those 5. Okay, so we have it like this so far. Not visible. Okay, now we pick up one more, and from in the first row we go through the 4 under, all 4, and that's it. That's what you're going to go do the whole row, and then it's going to be done. Pick up one more, go through the second one, and this is how the final product will look, like this. It's very pretty, it's very easy to make. Please, if you like what I make, please like, subscribe, and enjoy beading. Have fun.